The first step, we'll loosen the lug nuts on the car so we can jack it up and take the wheel off. Now we're going to jack the car up and put it on the axle stand. We're going to position the axle stand now so the underneath the vehicle to support the vehicle's weight. Now we can take the rest of the nuts out and we can remove the tyre. Now we'll visually inspect the tyre for any damage, replace and repair the tyre if we need to. After inspection, we'll refit the wheel back to the car if there's no repairs needed. Now I'll set the torque wrench to 110 Nm and we're going to tighten the wheel nuts to the specification.